Guys, welcome back to Zik, the program guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change address bar position in Google in Chrome Beta Mobile, right? So first thing, this video is actually to make your browsing feel more comfortable. Like once you open your Chrome browser, you can just change the address bar position maybe to the bottom, or if you feel like the top is okay, it's better. Then what first thing you have to do, open up your Chrome browser and you click on those three dots you can see above your screen, and once you click on that, you can now see the settings. You click on settings just like this, and you can see address bar. So click on that and you can see two options. You get to pick if it's the bottom or the top you want. So it's actually on the top on everybody's phone, so you can just pick on the top and you can see how it's going to feel, though it's going to be given the vibe of like an iPhone. So let's go check that out. So it's going to be at the bottom, so let's do that. So you can see and this artist looking. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.